see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. As you guys can see by the title, today we're gonna be doing a Supreme Roni 19 box logo review / legit check for you guys. This box logo did come out because of the circumstance, but it is a Murakami box logo, which honestly makes it as special as it is. I do want to go ahead and make a review / legit check because I feel like there are gonna be a whole ton of fakes when it comes to this piece. So I'd rather you guys be informed, and I'd rather show you guys every little detail on it so that you know exactly what to look for in an authentic one versus a fake one. So if you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content, click on post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And with all that being said, let's go ahead and get straight to it.
Something came in the mail today.
I had to go ahead and look at it, bro. It's something too special to not look at, but this package did come with 2 small box logos, the original shit that they always do. Then in here we do have the magical box logo in itself. I am gonna open it for specifically this video, but I am gonna end up selling this in the future. It's not even my size. I do want to say major shout out to Marco for hooking me up with the slot for this, and that's the only reason I ended up copying this Supreme box logo in the size medium. Major shout out to him. But in here we do have the box logo. I'm gonna try to go ahead and open this the best way that I possibly can because this is gonna be resold and I don't want it to not be DS when they buy it. Go ahead and open this across the seam at the top, and there we do have the box logo. This is honestly insane. I'm gonna show you guys in detail a little bit more in a little bit, but as you guys can see right there, you have that logo, which is probably why this is going for so much money. Supreme Murakami all around it. It does say over 19 relief right there. Box logo T with the little barcode. It has like a specific code on it. Then it does say white in a medium size. Your tag should look extremely similar to this right here, so make sure you look at this size, look at the way the sticker is. I honestly wouldn't play when it comes to this tee because the price on it is extremely high, so you don't want to get scammed on this one. This is like a $600 t-shirt. That's honestly why I'm making this video for you guys. But as you can see, you have the Supreme box logo dead in center on the front right there. It does have like the little Murakami flowers going all across it. I don't know if it's specific on every single tee like this or if it's like switched around with the background, but I do feel like it would be something extremely similar. You can go ahead and get a close look right there. Look at the distancing between each letter. The R is really close to the E, but it's not touching. So is the E to the M. You can see right here how they're really close, but they're not actually touching. Look at the distancing. Look at where the letter ends right here on the end. Look at where it starts. It kind of looks like my box is off-centered. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but it still is fire nonetheless. This should only come in the white colorway if you're going for it. The tag should also look like this right here. It should have the Supreme box logo at the top with a little R at the bottom. Make sure that the font isn't too bold as well. This should be 100% cotton only because it is a white shirt. The only shirts that come with 10% polyester are the gray shirts from Supreme, but this does say made in USA. Make sure that it has a period after the A as well. With the medium size right there, it should look like this. The only one that should be different is the XL because it should have 2 letters right here at the bottom. And I don't know if every specific shirt is gonna have this same exact tag, but it does have dual stitching on the sides of it. But on the back right here, you do have 100% cotton with 1 T on it. It does have like the instructions to wash it. It has an RN code, which is 101837, and it does have like a Supreme faded logo on the back of it, as you can see right there. So that's pretty much the front of the T. Then on the back, it does have the Murakami flower with like a little skull. Then it has some letters under it. I think it says TM/KK Ovid 19 Relief Fund 2020. That should be in the neck area just like this. It shouldn't be too big or too small. Try to look at the neck area so you can compare the sizing on the little design that it has on the back. But low-key, that pretty much does it for the review. I will try to talk about it a little bit more in detail right here, because as you guys can see, there are different colored flowers. There's different skulls on it and stuff like that. You do want to go ahead and make sure that yours looks like this. I'm going to go ahead and pop the logo from the original shirt that we saw on the Supreme website right above this, so you can see if it's the same exact design or if they're changing it between shirts. I really hope that it's the same exact design so that you guys can go ahead and determine if yours is authentic or not. I feel like this one is gonna be faked a whole lot, so please be sure to ask questions, try to see receipts like shipping confirmations, all of that kind of stuff before you purchase this really expensive shirt. But that pretty much does it for this video. Honestly, if you guys have any questions on this tee, make sure you go ahead and just send me some DMs and I will try to respond for you guys. This one is gonna be highly faked. If I'm being completely honest with you guys, they're probably working on the fakes right now, and you do not want to get scammed for this much money. This tee probably goes for like 600, 700 in a medium, and in the other sizes even more. So honestly, just make sure you do your research before you go ahead and spend that much money on a piece. I do recommend that you guys ask questions, make sure you're well-rounded before you go ahead and make that purchase. If you guys didn't know, all the money that was made from this box logo tee right here did get donated to the relief fund for COVID, and it's pretty sick that they decided to do that. But that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click on post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.